What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to avoid getting scammed or rogged when trading Solana meme coins. Now, this video is for you if you're a complete beginner and you just started trading Solana meme coins. Maybe you've been getting rogged and scammed and you don't even know what sort of coins to avoid. Okay, so this video is gonna be for you. I'm going to show you very simple strategies, very simple ways to spot the scams and avoid them. Okay, later on I'm going to make another video that shows you which coins you should be buying, but in this video is all about how to avoid certain types of coins. Okay, very simple ways to avoid certain scams. Okay, now for this tutorial I'm going to be using Axiom. Okay, this platform is called Axiom. If you are not using Axiom, you are flying blind in the Solana trenches. Okay, so I invite you to click on the link. You will find a link for Axiom in the description of this video. Using that link is going to give you 10% off trading fees, and you're also going to get cash back just for trading Solana meme coins. As you can see here, this is my account. You can see I've earned about 5.5 Solana just for trading on this platform. Just get cash back just for trading on this platform. Okay, now with that said, let's get started with the video. Right, one of the easiest ways you can tell a coin is a scam or a rog is by looking at the holders, right? The holders ratio to the pro traders ratio. Okay, what do I mean? Let me open this one up, for instance. Okay, you see this coin right here. I already know that it's a scam. Why? Because look at the holders, right? We've got 205 holders and we have only 12 pro traders. Okay, so what are pro traders? The pro traders are the real people. These are people that are using trading platforms such as Axiom, BullX, Nova, Photon, all the trading platforms. Pretty much anyone that uses that trades Solana meme coin uses some form of trading platform. Okay, so when you see that the pro traders are nowhere near the amount of total holders, then you know that it's a scam. Very simple way to see it, right? You can even see it like without even going into the coin, right? Without opening it up, you can see it, right? Like this one right here that we saw, right? Look at 238 or 239 total holders to only 14 pro traders. So you already know instantly that this is a scam. And Axiom here has a little button here that allows you to just even hide that token, and so it doesn't show up. See, there's another one again, 55 to 6, right? This is another scam, right? This is a scam. It looks good. I know it looks good. It looks like it's going up, but trust me, this is going to die any minute now. Okay, now, which brings me to the second way, another easy way to find out if a coin is a scam. All you need to do is look at the SOL balance. Okay, look at the SOL balance for the holders. Okay, so you need to go into the holders tab here, first of all, right? You go into the holders tab and you will see that most of the holders have 0 balances, right? Look at that. You see? That is how you can easily tell that this is a scam. This is gonna go down to 0 any minute. I even recorded one for you guys earlier. I kept one. You see this one? This was one of them, right? It looked like it looked great. It was just going up. Well, I already knew that it was a scam. Why? Because first of all, I could tell from the holders to pro traders ratio. Normally, you want to see it at 2 to 1. Okay, so if you see 20 holders, you want to see at least 10 pro traders. Okay, 2 to 1. Right? When you start seeing 3 to 1, then it's a bit dodgy. Okay, that's how I knew. That's one way I knew. And the second way is like they all had a very low SOL balance, right? They all had a SOL balance of 0. Okay, so what is the SOL balance? It's just basically how much Solana you have in your wallet. So you can't tell me all the people buying this coin have zero amounts of Solana in their wallets. Okay, it's just not possible. If I open a coin that I know is legit, like this one here, I know this one is legit. Okay, I know this one is legit, and you can see, right? You can see the SOL balances. This person has 29, this person has 10. This is what it should look like, okay? This is what it should look like, people having different amounts of SOL balances, okay? So that's two easy ways to find out whether you should avoid a coin or not. And the next way I'm going to show you is through the chart. Okay, so when you open up a chart, okay, let me find one to show you, right? When you open this one up, let's see this one. Okay, this one looks like this one now, for instance. This is just like, it's just going only up, right? This is not normal, right? It just keeps going up. So you can easily tell that this is not a good token to go into because of the way the chart looks. The chart should go up, come down, go up, people take profits, it come down, and then it goes up some more, come down, and so on and so forth. But as you can see here, this one is just like, it's up only. And as you can see also from the holders to the pro traders, the ratio is just not, it's not right, okay? It's not right, right? So we stay away from this sort of coins, okay? Now, the next way to find out if a token is a scam or rogue is usually through the person who, through the developer or deployer or the person who launched the token. Now, the really cool feature about Axiom is it allows us to see who launched this token, right? We can see from their Twitter account who launched it, okay? So for instance, this is more for community tokens, okay? So for instance, like this one here now, it's a community token. I can see that this person here, Solchapo, is the one who created it and he launched it, okay? So now what I'm going to do is what I usually do, what I like to do is I'll open it up, okay? All right, it looks good and everything. People are buying it. I can see one of my tracked wallets buying into it. Now what I will do is I will actually put it on a watch list. I'll add it to my watch list. So I'll watch it and see what happens. Why am I watching it? I want to see if this rogs instantly or it scams instantly. If it scams instantly or rogs, then I know that Solchapo here is a scammer. Okay, so anytime now I see his tokens, I'm just gonna avoid it. Okay, I'm just gonna if I hover over the community icon, I can see instantly that it's Solchapo, and then I'm gonna avoid him. Okay, now on the flip side, if I'm watching this token now, right? I'm watching this token and I put it in my watch list here. I've got it up here in my watch list. Where have I got it? I've got it here. And this coin happens to graduate and it performs really well. Now I know that Solchapo is a good guy. And anytime he launches a token, I'm going to want to buy it, right? I'm going to be looking out for Solchapo and I'm going to buy it, okay? So those are some really easy ways to tell, to avoid certain tokens using Axiom. All right, guys. And another really cool feature is if you continue to see, you know, a rogue, a Twitter account that keeps creating all these fake coins, like this one, for instance, yeah. What you can do is you can even blacklist that dev, right? You can just Axiom allows you to blacklist them so that you don't even see it come up on your platform anymore. Okay. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because I'm trying to build I'm trying to build my channel here. This is my first video, as you can see, guys. So please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be making more videos, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.